Yeah.
Oh, and your man, I start here interesting, but Bibia de Boko.
Mother for some of you player.
Oh no.
So player money ne dim komo da. Mo abranti mu nka some peno. Mo tin so mo kono ho a mo so maba obi.
Madrid e ma sa kwan akonya ne bae.
Okay.
Senka Florentino Perez. Na oye 100% convinced se opewodria enka yendrua. Florentino Perez. Se na oye na adwin say 100% opewodri, and that obe finish business no send ye nimuno over the years and kayama medrua. But we will get to the wordry bit. Let's start from the more obvious one. Enra, finally, DIOMANDE Ababi drew Real Madrid. Madrid 8 year a total of 140 million. 140 million. And a Madrid 8 year. An initial fee of 125 and a 15 million add-ons. Down rich agro say add-ons na a share DIOMANDE contract mono. Senina Bemua, he would then be the most expensive player. Real Madrid at all.
And the pressure between so.
You see, apart from pressure, Krano, it tells you how polarized transfer markets in a year.
Say
yes, because we are talking about Madrid and the greatest of the greatest. Madrid players are pape wo wiase dodo na ba ma satim no. Enti for Sa Madrid no to accept to pay this amount of money for a potential bit say DIOMANDE no. It was rich. Say the story of yedi abunu na etwam. Because nka ope obi a onim football mu ayemfa de mu na nka should be Real Madrid. But omo create ya.
And DIOMANDE mbo.
Until you have to go and pay. Say opa. But how did these things happen? Obi a wotie platform we bia ya cheche mu dada. How DIOMANDE as a young boy ewo Ivory Coast, Eco Florida, Ekoboma, one of the best youth academy and educational institution ewo ho. Now from there, omu edini loni omu semi-pro team oko builde no ho. Yedina ko trials ewo Scotland Rangers oma amfano. Yedina ba Premier League trials bi oma amfano. Ya suggesting na some agents bi omusi omu hu abrantie ni ye sa time no on nemwa then obepiem wo Leganés. Se uko Spain Leganés awo des a southern suburb of Madrid nti awo Madrid kronim. Se a story ni na click o se ye dien yo. DIOMANDE ba Leganés no obo for reserve side. Omu promoting ba senior side. The first game of boy was a 3-2 game against Real Madrid. Sa game ne Leganés first say SC omo. DIOMANDE was on record to say Madrid is sunti SC game no and as ye wia game no e di ama omo. Fast forward RB Leipzig abe trigger ne 20 million release clause from Leganés after Abrantia no call. Knowing very, very well, safe with the Red Bull franchise, anyhow, football operations, any model of operating, they knew DIOMANDE was on the radar of a lot of top clubs. But onyen drew the level of Maba Tony Sisia. And so more fun no with me a packaging here and check they will come calling. And see, I'm more cotton free Leganese for no honor. Na Leganese okay, 20 million trigger. But still now I'm on transfer a budget of 5%. I'm say okay, no problem. And I'm to our brand here. So when in numbers no our Leipzig any great numbers. But an improvement I said the guy is still developing. And at Leipzig, the first club about in China was Liverpool. The guy agreed to join Liverpool. In fact, according to Rock Nation, Omuma ehun kwai ema Yan Diomande any Nancy Liverpool coach AYALA ekasai. And the guy was convinced. The name the crowd say only Liverpool from penny for Casaromusio Mo Saleko until we the Oba Shana nine. A money to me any day. Say any uncofono or more value me pa. I feel Omudin Comunu Yakobo Moboa over 100 million. And Liverpool say, oh, Debbie. Ye pa brands any day. But he and woman the way over 100 million there. Adabraka. And yes, Sky Bitia, it's Monteso. Leipzig for this or Monteso. Knowing very, very well said there were other clubs. No manam council or moba. Until Liverpool for Monteso there, I say, ye penny a china cardinal bomb, so none can be a masaba, neato, and a Paris Saint-Germain buy. Rich, Sir Utie Rock Nation for narration on Yando Monday and Paris Saint-Germain. Almost the Edikai. Ora efe nasa Air Khalifa. Oni Rock Nation form a very good relationship. Luis Ocampos now a advisor to the sporting project Paris Saint-Germain and so no more very good relationship. Sounds na Luis Enrique so tie. And Ocampos and Luis Enrique the way almost see town project no so my Yando Monday e convince our brand say team wey na osamebo. Me kwakra metimi aboa na Champions League na back to back. Imagine Luis Enrique calling you to convince you say me project ni here's where you fit. Chapanten was 100% convinced. Na edia na amana ko Paris Saint-Germain again. Paris Saint-Germain for say omoni abanten si di nkomo wi no. Leipzig for me bobo a ejina mambo. Abanten no so ni demands on the personal terms too high. There's no way umbetia. Enti almost in namwa and almost I say omo dilidala sadini ye payempe. Na Jose Mourinho appointment in the official na okwa Madrid no. Ana ne first meetings all sham Real Madrid team no a senior Tony baby obe tries to improve. Enti eno ne kofa Dumfries ebaye eno ne de Ibrahima Konate ebaye eno de Bernardo Silva ebaye in that explanation na no eno si munim bibi se o share Real Madrid team say da ho a se offer Real Madrid 90 minutes of player they are attacking too much our left hand side o baby Vinicius Dano because I want to almost strong outlets. It is a any team be a they know say you attack near one way. And it's almost giri or ha. Na fe bono ye intimi for born ko baby ah. And to send your left baby Vinicius than air strong no. Minya ya nke right also nya strong. Na your team no attack na anya balance. Nti wo kwa ye betimi abitu. Wo ye switch balance so ye betimi abitu. Nti minya a direct right winger. I will nimbo on the ball. I'm say sir. Any say Usha the elite scouting reporter direct right winger on the marketer obi e penny bi. Abante fa no Yando Monday eka ho. Because here nya Olise. And the rest of the other good players be say Lami Yamamu dem kwa de kra. Nti on the list no omo the oya available. I bet him no madi nkomo Yando Monday opa na And Jose say, oh, why not? The guy any profile SUT explanation ya me dey mamu.
Okay.
It is some you betimi akofa na. Yenye ne yen kofa no. Rich. Owura na oye head of global football Edema Rock Nation. Unim say ade ba akopa amen ne Yandi Omande wetimi aswitch ya wenya this deal. Say o changing agents to Rock Nation. First na no legalista ni agents in Rock Nation or switch ye hey na omumu draw ni the connections every side deal with aba na ora no you omu head of global football no your friend Nathan Campbell and I say no kwani nyame ni nie diama ujaf etimi silly deal we and say when Real Madrid came calling they spoke to Jose Mourinho. Na onunu Nathan any Yandi Omande they never knew say Jose Mourinho or French sir because on coachy or any French team biada and they knew there was Spanish, Portuguese, English because of Chelsea and it's man. But fluent French there they never knew say Jose T. Na omune na kasano a oton project na ma Yomande no see the way I see fluent French no. I feel no money now one Joe say when you saw say Musi Jose and I say I mean I want to make a no. And Sanya now our town project nama Madrid hierarchy no mujitum say the man Dembrano. The same thing no town ma woman. Now rich. Unim say oh probia manaba was side on. Na any pakoni jutum say oh no beba. Bibi nkiti bia baby aso ni pakoni. Ubeje di say Rock Nation for ne say after Real Madrid any Yandi Omande di nkomo no omo party ways no and omo chair Real Madrid gesi and omo sa chair no a brochure of Real Madrid plans na brante say ade Real Madrid aye die edamakomaso. Now this is why I end omo come say brante ni wie Omoni Rock Nation was very good relationship because Vinicius Junior, Hendrick Munina, and Rock Nation players are omo team ni mudada. And so omo relationship there is no doubt about it. After then came the Apamo Liverpool, the Apamo Paris Saint-Germain, Sika Semono. Mid-July, Real Madrid made omo first bid package 100 million Leipzig for the Semaza. And 100 million and Kagbate Kuku Liverpool dada. 100 million. Then Real Madrid came again, package 120. Leipzig for Nancy Derby 120 so. Yenji. And Tuba Kaya Monday the sporting director of IB Leipzig was on Sky Germany, telling Obia say enya no krese Real Madrid and Leipzig are concluded and also when agreement on DIOMANDE. The following day. And Real Madrid edits are 125 plus 15 bid ne ekoye, which means the deal was sealed on Tuesday. The following day Wednesday, and who say Yando man the PM training no. They are now all training as the board green light so say assigning people in the sikasam ni bibiye enti obetimi a fly akwa in the medicals. And etimi abem edi ama omo. Look. Who a lot of debates which makes sense about the wedding, and he has not done anything spectacular yet for Bia to count on him. So I say on a game changer be a team a friend Real Madrid. No crap. And I say me ko busa on social media say omo sure say Rich Yando Mando onimbo watching Ibrahim Diaz. Onimbo watching Hendrick. Udi omutu se ni say open right winger only more watching Hendrick ni Brahim Diaz, but that is what Real Madrid have gone for.
Okay.
Of course or a different kaka because I am more direct ni adie nti yan what he will be able to offer team a friend Real Madrid team do koba then we will do the other and common
but ye ni nkomo kakra emfa emamona ewia